Phrasal verbs in English. Ask out. To ask someone out on a date. For example, he asked her out. Beef up. To give more strength or substance to something. They beefed up security at the airport. Aim at. To point a weapon at something. He aimed at the yellow circle. Aim at. To plan, hope or intend to achieve something. The agreement aimed at strengthening relations between the two countries. Blow away. To impress someone greatly. As soon as I saw her, I was blown away. Blow away. To defeat easily. She blew away her opponent in the first round. Ask for. To request something. The customer asked for the bill. Ask for. To request someone. The customer asked for the manager. Bite off. Bite a piece of something from the main part. Ben bit off a piece of chicken. Believe in. To have faith or confidence in the existence of something. Believe in. To have trust in the goodness or value of something. I believe in hard work and dedication. Believe in. To have trust in the goodness or ability of someone. Despite her disability, her teachers still believed in her. Break down. To stop functioning because of breakage and wear. The vehicle suddenly broke down. Break down. When a person's health fail or collapse. As a result of overworking, her health broke down. Break down. When a relationship ceased to continue or collapse. Her marriage broke down due to infidelity. Break down. To lose control of one's emotions when in a state of distress. The lady broke down in tears. Break down. To analyze information. The report was broken down into 5 categories by Sam. Break down. Demolish a door or other barrier. He had to break down the door so as to save the baby. Break down. Convert a substance into simpler compounds by chemical action. Protein is usually broken down into amino acids. Break in. Force entry to a building. A masked robber broke in and stole their laptop. Break in. Interrupt something, especially a conversation. Kate broke in on our conversation. Break up. To end a romantic relationship. She broke up with her boyfriend. Break up. Cause something to separate into several pieces or parts. Break up the bread and place it in a bowl. Break up. A phone signal being interrupted by interference. I couldn't understand what she was saying since she kept breaking up. Break up. To end a meeting. The meeting broke up after 2 hours. Break up. To end the school term. The school broke up for the summer. Bring back. To cause something to return to mind. The picture brought back my childhood memories. Bring back. To return something. Please bring back the book you borrowed. Bring back. To reintroduce something. In the next month, the television series will be brought back. Break off. To abruptly end or discontinue something. She broke off her engagement. Break off. To remove something from a larger unit or whole. He broke off a piece of bread. Break off. To abruptly stop talking. She broke off in the middle of a sentence. Bump into. To meet somebody by chance. I bumped into Kelvin this afternoon. Break out. To escape. The man broke out of his cell. Break out. To start suddenly. Fire broke out last night. Break out. Suddenly begin to have a rash or spots. The nut allergy caused her skin to break out. Break through. Make or force a way through a barrier. He was determined to break through the wall. Break through. To force a way through a barrier. Women are starting to break through the glass ceiling at the workplace. Bring over. To bring something from one place to another. Bring over the books. Brush up. Improve one's existing knowledge or skill in a particular area. I need to brush up on my accounting. Call back. To phone someone who called you earlier. I'll call you back with an answer. Call in. To telephone a place, especially your workplace. She called in sick. Call in. To ask for the services of someone. I called in a plumber to fix my sink. Call up. To contact someone by phone. I called up Carrie. Call up. To select someone to play in a team, especially at a higher level of competition. He was called up to play in the international games. Care for. To look after someone. When Robert was sick, she cared for him. Care for. To feel affection for someone. She really does care for her daughter. Care for. To want something. Would you care for some tea? Carry away. To become so excited about something that you lose self-control. He got carried away by all the football. Burst out. To begin to do something. He burst out laughing. Burst out. To suddenly say something loudly. Wait for me, he burst out. Carry on. To continue doing something. Carry on walking. Carry on. To behave in a particular way. They carry on a mature look. Catch up. To talk to someone whom one has not seen for a while. He went to town to catch up with an old friend. Catch up. To succeed in reaching a person who is ahead of you. He caught up with him. Catch up. Do tasks that one should have done earlier. I need to catch up on some reading. Catch up. Be involved in something that one had not intended to become involved in. Avoid getting caught up in their conflict. Check out. To pay your bill and leave a hotel. He checked out of the hotel. Check out. To examine something or visit a place in order to learn about it. Let's go check out the new school. Check out. To prove to be true or correct. We need to check out his story. Check out. To enter the price of goods in a supermarket into a cash machine. Items were checked out by the cashier. Burn down. To completely destroy a building or structure by fire. It was a total loss when the house burned down. Calm down. To become quiet or calm. She took a few deep breaths to calm herself down. Chop up. To cut something into small pieces. He chopped up the carrots.